I know you thought I forgot about you, but I'm back. I didn't forget about you. I've been away doing army stuff. You know the deal. But anyway, I got another delicious meal for you. Something that I think everybody loves. How about some chicken parmesan? Not your traditional chicken parmesan. I do the thing my way, and it's gooder than a mug. So let's get busy. Alright, let's prep. 3 eggs, teaspoon to tablespoon of water. I don't know exactly. I eyeball the work. Whisk that in until it's all blended in together. And you know you gotta season your meat. And for this particular dish, just salt and pepper, both sides, because we eat both sides. And make sure you rub that seasoning in the meat real good. Rub your meat real good so your meat will bust with flavor. Get your mind out the gutter. You're nasty. But this meal is gooder than a mug. Front and back, salt and pepper. And then what we want to do next is just dress your chicken with flour. Okay, some people like to just lay the chicken in flour. I like to sprinkle the flour over it, pat it, and rub it in so I get a nice thin coat and it's easy to get off, because you don't want this to be Popeye's chicken. You know, you want it to be a nice thin crispy layer of chicken. Alright. And for the record, a lot of people like to pound their meat. I like to slice mine into even pieces. I don't have time to be pounding. So I get the chicken breast and I slice it a long way, about 2 or 3 times. Alright, so now we got an egg wash there, and now we're prepping the breadcrumbs. Right here, I just got some plain panko breadcrumbs. I'm sorry, it's not plain. It's Italian style panko breadcrumbs. Alright, and I want to dip the chicken into the egg wash and then into the breadcrumbs and get it nice and coated, man. Nice and coated. Right here is my favorite part, because we're finna let this chicken talk to us. Lay it in there. Hot olive oil. Oh yeah. Talk dirty to me. Yeah, baby. That's how you know that your oil is hot. That's how you know your meal is about to be gooder than a mug. Alright, you're going to cook them for just maybe about 1 to 2 minutes on each side till they're just a slightly golden brown. Flip them over. Same thing on the other side. Then set them bad boys on an elevated rack so the bottom of them will still be crispy. Now you don't want this chicken to be all the way done. You just want to pretty much just sear the outside, okay? Because they're going to finish cooking up in the oven, as you can see as we carry on. So now I'm just putting a layer of my delicious marinara sauce. If you don't have the recipe to the marinara sauce, you can revert back to the YouTube channel and check out the chicken mozzarella sticks. Okay, the recipe for the marinara sauce is there. And after the marinara, we're gonna add some crumbled up, well, I didn't crumble it, I just diced it up real small, mozzarella cheese. Yes. And then we're gonna go with the second layer. We're just gonna add some freshly chopped basil. I just diced it up nice and fine, because you can never go wrong with some delicious herbs. And then another one of my favorite cheeses. Yes, Lord Jesus, Asiago cheese. We're gonna add that. And then the last layer is gonna be some delicious, delicious Parmesan cheese. Yes, this is going to be gooder than a mug. After you're done layering your cheeses on the top, make sure you pop it in the oven for a good maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Let all that cheese melt down, and voila. it.